We're approaching the rupture now. The scale of the damage here is truly immense, far greater than anticipated.
And the arm is engaged. Confirmation that the artifact, a small doll,
The structural integrity of the bow section is critical.
Agreed. We deploy the microsubs through the starboard side debris field.
This section here shows the original structural support. It's different from the digital model.
Yes, I see that. The bracing angles are completely different in the analog version.
Cross-reference the sonar anomalies with the original deck plans.
The readings suggest a complete structural failure in this section.
It's been hit.
hull strength rebuilding starts.
All right, bring it down easy. Clear the transport on the right. Make sure it's secured.
The restoration master plan is approved. Let the work begin.
This facade is irreplaceable, a true masterpiece of its era.
I see your point. The structural integrity alone.
Look there. The alignment is off by 2 degrees.
I see it. We must adjust the cables immediately. That'll do. Move along to the next plate.
See that irregularity near the hub? We can't pass that.
I see it. I'll have the crew adjust the finishing immediately. All right, men, lift her steady. Bring it about 50 degrees to starboard. Easy now.
Heave on the falls. Taking the strain, sir. All clear below. Watch the line. Lower it down slow. Now hammer that joint tight.
This bulkhead needs reinforcement here, otherwise the stress fracture will compromise the adjoining plates.
Understood. I'll revise the schematics.
All right, lads, heave. Easy, easy. Bring it down slow. More to the right. Heave. Watch the starboard side. Lower it steady now. Hold it there, watch your feet.
Aye, steady as she goes.
Now, hit it now.
Holding it.
It's recent here. The great hull of the Titanic, coated in red lead primer. A monumental industrial effort requiring
Hooray! Well done, lads.